What we have here for Dearborn Wanderlights 2025 is Kaloperiron, which is behind me, and it is an immersive human kaleidoscope. It's a colorful looking portal, and it looks like it's a very kind of enclosed work, but once you go inside, you're enveloped in mirrors and light and reflection, and it really challenges your sense of space. Kalopeiron is a word that I made up. I took two old Latin words, kalos and apeiron. So the meaning behind it is infinite or boundless beauty. And that's Kalopeiron. It's also, kalos is the root in kaleidoscope. So it's a kaleidoscope for humans though. Because it's covered in mirror, you see yourself in the art, and you will take a picture of the art with you in it, and then you become part of that artwork, even just for those few seconds at the time when you see yourself. But then you capture it by using a camera, so you're also creating your own kind of remix of the artwork with you in it. But more importantly, even without a camera, I want people to smile and be happy, and I want it to bring joy to people and smile. I want to get a positive reaction out of people.
So crazy! Crazy!
I'm super excited to meet people and help them take photos and be here, and I'm so stoked to be a part of Wanderlights 2025.